Sunscreen.
Sunscreen, stamp duty, castle tax, drawbridge oil, the list is endless.
In total, we'll call it about $78.
If I give you my autograph, can we call it quits?
Are you famous or something?
Forget it.
I tell you what, get us the money, then we'll call it quits.
Where am I supposed to find that kind of money?
You could win it,
Or find it somewhere.
or inherit it.
Or be given it by slightly insane people.
There's lots of ways.
I'm new here. How much is $1?
Basically, $1 is made up of 256 pence,
16 of which make a groat.
and 64 of which make a crown,
2 crowns make a queen's shilling.
and 3 crowns makes a king's shilling,
$5 makes 1 silver sovereign.
3 of which make a gold sovereign.
And $45 makes 1 royal crest.
Simple, really.
All right, I'll get your money.
Don't be too long. After all, inflation is an ugly word.
It's good to see the Guards setting such high moral standards as an example to citizens.
Hey, kid,
Hello?
if you need to earn some cash, the King's looking for a new wizard. Why don't you check it out? The tournament's being held in the park in the centre of town.
Looks like there's some good in everyone. Deary me, guys. Do you have to take part in this supremely sad activity?